Hey, today we are going to be going out with Bite Squad and just doing a lunch shift. I mean, how much money can you make doing a lunch shift? Let's find out.
Continue straight.
So we just turned on the app and it looks like we have to go 13 miles. It's about 13 minutes worth of driving. And since I'm on the outskirts of our delivery area, that's pretty common. But once we get into town, it's going to be a lot better. Well, let's hope. Let's find out. So what do you do when you're driving to keep yourself from going insane? Listen to music.
Keep right at the fork.
Talk to people on the phone. I mean, put your earbuds in and talk with your friends. Listen to podcasts. So I parked back there. Gonna be walking in these doors, and isn't but 2 minutes to get to it. Every once in a while you have to check the stands, and it'll actually ask you, are there coupons in the stands? And on the app you say yes or no. And you see, it's a numbers game. $5 tip. So I also have a dash cam right here. Let me show you some of the footage from today. One thing you have to be really careful, check out the lights. Turn green. And you think it's safe? Nope. People are flying through red lights all the time. And here's another example from today. Stop at a red light and people just keep on flying through red lights. And here's some footage from last night. And just when you think it's safe to go, when it turns green, nope. Just insane people. So the only thing different that I do for dashing is I put on a red shirt. I still keep my slacks and my shoes, which is really nice. Take off the hat, make sure I look pretty, and I'm off to the first one, which is only a mile
Turn
away
left,
from
then your destination will be on the right.
right here. So I ended up working for about an hour and made $26. Look at my little grandbaby. I know. What are those little noises you're making? What are those little noises you're making? What are those little noises you're making?